So this is a recording of a Busy Doctor Lesson 5. You can find this assignment on Wednesday, October 21st, 2020. Our title, A Busy Doctor. This is a doctor, a doctor, a doctor. A busy doctor. Dr. Smith is very busy today. Many people are waiting to see her. See, this is the waiting room. There's many people. Joaquin is in the examining room. This is Joaquin. This is the exam room. Dr. Smith looks in Joaquin's mouth. She looks with her eyes. This is Joaquin's mouth. She looks in his ears. Ears. Remember, she's looking with her eyes. She looks in his eyes. Everything is fine, she says. Then Dr. Smith puts on her stethoscope. This is a stethoscope. She listens to Joaquin's heart. Stethoscope, heart. She listens to his lungs. This is how she listens to his lungs. These are, once this gray part. This is an example of lungs. This is an example of the heart. You're very healthy, says Dr. Smith. I will see you next year. Wait, says Joaquin. Everything isn't fine. My foot hurts. Foot, and it hurts. So not all is well. This is the contraction for is not. Let's have a conversation. Talking to the doctor. Shakib, can you help me with the conversation?
Yeah.
Let me post it for you. There you go. You'll be the patient, I'll be the doctor. We're going to practice the dialogue. It'll start like this. Everything is fine. You're very healthy. Your turn, Shakib.
Huh?
You're right here. You're reading the patient part. That's
good news.
That's good news.
I will see you next year.
I'll see you next year. Your turn, Shakib.
Okay. Wait, doctor, everything isn't fine.
What's the matter?
My foot hurts.
My foot hurts. Okay.
Yeah.
So he's telling him, the doctor, that his foot hurts. Everything isn't fine. So now, given what we read, you're going to complete the story of a busy doctor. Your word bank is here on the bottom. The words that we're looking at include busy, fine, healthy, heart, listens, looks, mouth, and waiting. Remember, if you are confused or you don't remember the word, you go back into the reading. Dr. Smith is very blank today. What is Dr. Smith? Very what? You go back into the reading and you find it. Dr. Smith is very busy today. So you type the word busy into this space. Oops. The same goes for many people are waiting to see her. Joaquin is in the examining room. Dr. Smith looks in Joaquin's mouth. She looks in his ears. She looks in his eyes. Everything is fine, she says. Then Dr. Smith puts on her stethoscope. She listens to Joaquin's heart. She listens to his lungs. Everything is fine, she says. You're very healthy, says Dr. Smith. I'll see you next year. Wait, says Joaquin. Everything isn't fine. My foot hurts. So we're filling in the blanks for that slide. The next slide is true or false. True meaning it occurred in the story. False, it did not. We're going to highlight the correct answer. True or false. Dr. Smith is very busy today. We know that this is a fact. It's therefore true because it's in our reading, as we could prove with the first sentence on the slide. Dr. Smith is very busy today. The next question, number 2. 2 people are waiting to see her. We know this is false since many people are waiting to see her. Many people, not just 2. Look at all of these people. That's more than 2. Number 3, Dr. Smith looks in Joaquin's mouth. We know that this happens, therefore it is true. Number 4, she listens to his ears and eyes. Does she listen? Or does she look in his ears? She looks in his eyes. Then, number 5. Then Dr. Smith.
B-U-S-Y, busy.
B-U-S-Y is busy. Yes, too much work. Then Dr. Smith puts on her stethoscope. She sure does. This is true. She looks at Joaquin's heart and lungs. Does she look at a heart and lung? False. She listens. Joaquin's lungs hurt. His lungs don't hurt. His foot hurts. Therefore, this is false. Dr. Smith says Joaquin is very healthy. This is true. She says, I'll see you next year. This is true. Joaquin is fine. This is false since his foot hurts. That is the end of this session. Please make sure to review the slides to make sure that you responded correctly.